Hi friends, welcome back in our series of VS Code extensions. In this video, we will know about a mind-blowing extension. If you are a hardcore pro and you forgot about your break, then this extension will remind you by changing the theme and it will not distract you. So without wasting a single bit of minute, start our video. So for adding extension, click on extension, search, enter down, click on very first extension, click on install. Extension is successfully installed. Here you can see when you code for a long time, the theme of your editor will change automatically and it will remember you that you have spent lots of time. It will simply remind you. So if this extension is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And please check out the playlist. I will provide the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video.